Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G513. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard profiles. In the beginning, make sure that your keyboard is connected with the PC and you've got Logitech G Hub installed. Enter it and log in. Next, go to desktop and here you can manage profiles. Here you can add game or application. Or you can scan now for games. Next you can manage bar profiles, macros and settings for each profile. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.